Hey guys, good morning. Good morning, guys. What was I gonna say? That's how I am. I forget everything. I was gonna say that. Have y'all seen Nature's Deadliest? It's amazing. You know what? Let me set the phone over here, cause let me stand the phone up so y'all can see me better. Have y'all seen the Nature's Deadliest? It's amazing. You get to know all kinds of creatures, like deadly creatures, not like friendly creatures, deadly creatures. And there's an amazing guy who knows a lot about creatures, like with that have poison in them. His name is Brian Fry. I love Brian Fry. He is sexy. I love Brian Fry. Don't let Christian know. Don't let Christian know, because we just started dating. Alright. I love Brian Fry. He's smart and he has good manners. And he's a good guy. And he knows a lot about animals. I love Brian Fry. But don't let Christian know, guys. Just don't let him know. You never know how he's gonna react. Oh look, here's my tortoise. He's asleep. See that? She's asleep. I'm going with my mom today. She's picking me up early. Weird, right? She never picks me up early. But it's good. I get to see her more. Alright. My tortoise is so cute. She yawned just before she went to sleep. She yawned. She went like... Her name is Button. We just found out she was a girl. First, we thought when we bought her, we thought she was a boy. Like she's awake. When we bought her, we thought she was a boy. She had the name Spencer because we thought she was a boy. But now, we looked her up. We looked her up, and now she's a girl. Now she has the name Button. Alright. Thank y'all so much. That's what I wanted to tell y'all.